Question I've been getting recently asked a lot about is what are the best improvements that I can do to my house? What renovations can I do to get maximum dollar out of my house? The best improvements. So go ahead and watch this video. A question I get asked all the time in the comments below. Let me know what you think. And if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate and give us a call, because this is what we do on the daily. We help people make money. Whether you're buying or selling real estate in the Myrtle Beach area, we're here to help. Go ahead and click like and share this with somebody you know who could use it. We'll talk to you soon. Hope you're having a fantastic day.